Hey, where are I'm in Chico.
All the designers came together and showcased their latest collections.
Christopher Guy Harrison is incredibly talented. He has some really fanciful designs. It's classic done in a contemporary fashion.
We're KGBL. We try to use materials that not everyone is using. Our mantra is modern furniture using traditional materials and traditional methods.
I really enjoy going into KGBL. Everything is fantastic.
My name is Timothy Brown, and this is my little shop. The inspiration here is to bring furniture from Paris, from Italy, from around the world, and reimagine it in a new sort of American way.
Overall, the event went really well.
It was really nice to meet people. It was nice to see old friends and make some new ones, and everybody was really very gracious.